Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how bananas are transformed into luxury snacks. 3, step by step.
Hold it right there. Okay, we're set. Bring the line up.
The weight differential on lane 3 is high.
Adjusting the threshold now, calibrating sensors.
The bananas are submerged in a food-grade antimicrobial solution, eliminating surface bacteria while preserving quality.
This batch needs to be diverted to the freezing sector immediately.
Confirmed. Adjusting the gates now.
The ultra-realistic 4K scan detects the slightest fiber damage. But for rare imperfections, our skilled
Temperature set to the required parameters.
Confirmed. The drying cycle is stable.
humidity stabilized at 12%. Data confirmed across all sensors.
Immediately after drying, cold filtered air stabilizes the texture. This cooling process locks in the structure for premium snack quality.
Here in the mixing lab, precise formulation ratios ensure consistency across all snack variants before the batch is completed.
The thickness looks perfect here.
Yeah, the new dispenser settings are spot on.
Controlled airflow prevents clumping, allowing the flavors to set evenly. The workers monitor the subtle texture changes closely.
The pressure is stable at 20 psi. Verified. Verified. The crunch structure looks perfect.
Perfect, convertizes it.
This spike here indicates the temperature in zone 3 is exceeding the optimal crispness threshold.
We're slightly high on the left manifold. Okay. Adjusting the flow rate now. That should stabilize it.
The volatile compounds are stable across all replicates.
Confirmed. The profile matches the golden standard.
tension is optimal.
Alignment secured. The system is ready for transition.
The oxygen reduction is complete. Levels are stabilizing below the critical threshold.
Confirmed. We are ready for the sealing phase.
Check the density reading on Sector 4.
It's flagging an anomaly.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Laser coders etch production dates and batch numbers onto each package. Codes synchronize with factory databases in
The new algorithm increased throughput by 20%, and the error rate is negligible. The stainless gates are performing perfectly.
That last rejection was exactly 5 grams over the limit.
Confirmed. The system is calibrated correctly.
Excellent.
Everything becomes traceable at scale. The system feels global and powerful.
The seamless flow of pallets is managed by a fleet of silent autonomous vehicles, showcasing the magnitude of modern industrial automation.
This route projection shows a 2% efficiency gain.
Excellent. Implement the change and monitor the synchronization across the network.
Look at that precision. It's flawless.
Absolutely mesmerizing to watch the efficiency.
This system ensures freshness across global supply chains.
Zone 3 remains at 2 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. The transfer is stable.
Reroute the European shipment to Lane 7. Priority status is confirmed.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the flow now.
The seals are intact and secure.
Confirmed. All structural points checked against the manifest.
Reroute the Atlantic vessel sequence to waypoint 3.
Confirmed. ETA adjusted by 6 hours.
Temperature is steady at -20, cross-referenced on the tablet.
All checks complete. Let's get this sealed and on the road.
Clear the drop zone. Inbound lift.
Confirmed. ZP4 ready for transfer.
Position confirmed. Stack is secure.
Verified on screen. Let's move to the next bay.
Route 40 stabilized, temperature holding steady at -15.
Acknowledged. All green across the Atlantic sector.
Did you get the updated delivery manifest for shipment 7?
Yes, everything looks consistent here.
The AI prioritized these shipments for the afternoon route.
Confirmed. The dynamic rerouting is fully implemented.
Check the manifest for aisle 7. Everything matched up?
Looks good. Let's get this loaded.
We've stabilized the East Asia corridor.
Good. Reroute the South American vessels through the new Panama slot.
Make sure the New York shipment is routed correctly.
Confirmed. They match the manifest.
The automated system converts the cartons into shelf-ready display boxes with precision cuts and folds.
The Global Banana Snack Initiative processes over 5 million units per hour, optimizing for peak demand in real time.
The waste reduction metrics are promising. We're balancing scale with control.
Absolutely. The efficiency improvements are significant across the board.
By processing these banana peel byproducts separately, we ensure nothing is wasted. The system is fully optimized.
The peak force on this sample is slightly lower than the last batch.
Let's check the data on the tablet. The crispness rating is still acceptable.
These efficiency forecasts confirm the upgrade's potential.
Absolutely. The scalability model shows we can double production without significant downtime.
This anomaly in the South China Sea requires immediate attention.
Reroute through Jakarta. I'll notify the ground teams right away.
Is how harvested bananas become luxury snacks through precision, technology, and scale.